Hi all, welcome back to GTL Labs YouTube channel. Today we are diving into an important functionality in IFS applications called WDR number and availability control. Imagine you are performing a receiving inspection for purchased items and you notice something is off. Let's say some parts have damaged packaging, but the items inside are still perfectly usable. Now the big question is, how do you track these parts separately and prevent them from mixing with your standard inventory? Plus, you might need to control their availability for production or any other logistic activities. That is where WDR number and availability control come to the rescue in IFS applications. Let's walk through a real-world scenario. I have created a purchase order for 20 laptops, but 5 of them have damaged packaging. Here is how we handle this. I want to separate these 5 units and receive all the items into the same warehouse location as the first step. I will go to the register arrival window and I will search for this PO number. As the next step, I will click on receive command. I will add the receipt reference in here. I will split my receipt. I will use the split functionality and I will adjust the quantity as 15 in here. I will add a location number as well. I am selecting a pick-in location for this line. As the next step, I will add one more line with quantity of 5 and I am receiving it into the same location. So what will happen, instead of 15 and 5 in the inventory bar in stock page, it will show as 20. I want to differentiate it and show it as 2 different lines where each line consists of 15 and 5. So what I will do is, I will select the edit option and select a WDR number. I will name it as damage packaging. If needed, we can give a number here as well. It is allowed 15 characters. Now I have changed it and I am going to receive it. If I go back to the inventory bar in stock page and try to search for this location, you will see there are 2 lines where each line consists of 15 and 5. Let's say if someone from sales and marketing creates a custom order for these items and they want to receive and ship all the items. At the moment, even though we have a WDR number, it is allowed to receive and ship the damaged items. As the next step, I want to control the availability of these 5 damaged items for the custom orders. So what I will do is, I will go to the availability and I will select change availability control. There are a set of standard basic data in the list of values. There are a set of basic data we have to set up. So here we have the supply controls, part reservation controls, part counting controls and a lot more control parameters. I will select this one called reservation control where it is not allowed to reserve the items. I will click OK. Now you will see there is an availability control for the damaged packaging quantities in here. I will go back to the inventory part availability planning. And now I will see there is an available quantity of 20 for this particular part. However, I will try to create a custom order for this. By the way, I have already created a custom order for this, and if I try to go to the manual reservations, you will see only 15 are shown in here. It is because of that availability control I have used. So I am not able to ship the remaining 5 because we are having this availability control for those 5 parts. As the next step, I will go back again to the inventory part in stock page and try to change the availability control. I will keep the WDR number as it is and I will change the availability control. I will select nothing for the availability control. Rather, I am removing the availability control. You will see availability control is no longer available for this part. If I go back again to my custom order and try to do manual reservations for this, you will see both the items are available with the WDR number as well. So I will label reserve the first line with 15 quantity and I will label reserve the second line with 5 quantity. Finally, we can reserve the full 20 units. I will be able to do report picking as well for this customer order. If I go back again to my customer order, you will see it is in picked status. Hope now you have a better understanding of how WDR number and availability control work in IFS applications. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to GTL Labs for more IFS content. Do you have any thoughts or questions? Please share them in the comment section. We would love to hear from you.